almost 1,000 likes, no? Hi everyone, I'm Aileen. I'm a mother of 3 grown-up kids. How I get to know Thermomix is, before that my friend actually introduced me a bit of this machine because I have a helper who worked for us for 5 years, left us. So she was a very good cook. The first 2 weeks without helper, I've realized myself always stuck in the kitchen. So one day when I was cooking a pasta, I still remember that very clearly. That was the day when I decided to get a Thermomix. So I was cooking the pasta and it gets so hot in the little kitchen there. So I tell myself, I think if now I have a Thermomix, it would be great. That day, I told my husband, I have decided to get a Thermomix. I decided to become an advisor. Because with Thermomix, you don't need a lot of other machines at home. I can actually let go my pressure cooker. It's brand new. So I posted on Carousel. So this lady, she came and then I invited her into my house because I need to test whether the pressure cooker is working or not. So as I test, then she wondered, well, why are you selling this pressure cooker? It's brand new, no? I said, oh, because I have that. Again, I pointed to my Thermomix. He said, what is that? I said, that is a Thermomix. Oh, okay, this machine can replace, so I'm selling this. Then she get a bit like, she showed a bit of interest. I started to talk about it. I talk. Then she said, Aileen, I said, yeah, can I don't buy your pressure cooker? I said, oh yeah, sure. I think I want to buy your Thermomix. You know, that's the moment where I was very happy, like, actually, you know. I'm not so much of wanting to sell, but you know, once you share something that's so good and you manage to convince somebody, you feel the joy, the manzukan, you know, the joy actually. So yeah, that's when I decided to join as an advisor. Thermomix changed my life. Now, actually, I start to love cooking because I have no stress, because they're full of recipe there in the cookie dough itself, and also full of recipe in this Thermomix Truly Asian. So I posted this chili crab recipe on Thermomix Truly Asia too. So I just post that day, Then next day, wow, it became almost 1,000 likes, no? Wow, that makes me really very happy. So I tell myself, I will try to figure out more recipe and then use Thermomix to cook, and I can share. Okay, so with Thermomix, even you have no helper, you can have nice dishes on the table for our family. This is something I love about this machine.